Pronouns, we can split it out, group them up into 9 kinds. So just let us quickly look at the kinds of pronoun. Now, kinds of pronouns. We have 9 kinds. It's very simple, all of them, but we need to be careful. And the first of this kind we have is personal pronoun. There are 9 kinds of pronouns. The first is personal pronoun. Personal. First one is personal pronoun. And the next we have is, the second is reflexive pronouns. Reflexive. Reflexive pronouns. Personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and third we have emphatic pronouns. Emphatic. Emphatic pronouns. And next we have is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. And the fifth one we have is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite. Indefinite pronouns. Next we have is distributive pronoun. Distributive. Distributive pronouns. Next we have interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns. And the eighth one is relative pronouns. And finally, possessive pronouns. Relative. Relative pronouns. And finally, we have the possessive pronouns. Pronouns are of altogether 9 kinds. So you have 9 kinds of pronoun. First, personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, distributive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflective pronoun, and possessive pronoun. And possessive. So 9 kinds of pronoun. Each of these, rather all of them are easy, and each of these we'll do in detail with examples for you to understand and remember. If you look at each of these words, it says for itself. When you say personal, related to person, reflective, demonstrative, emphatic, the word speaks for itself. The words may look big, but very simple. So we will go and do each one in detail. First we'll do the personal pronouns.